Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pumpkin flowers. First, gently wash your fresh pumpkin blossoms under cool, running water. Next, carefully remove the stamens from male flowers and the pistils from female flowers. Then, trim the green sepals and stems from the base of each flower. Finally, pat the delicate flowers dry with a paper towel before you begin cooking. This ensures they are ready for your culinary creations. One popular method is to stuff and fry them. Prepare a creamy cheese filling, perhaps with ricotta or goat cheese, and carefully spoon about 1 tablespoon into each flower. Gently twist the petals to seal the opening. Then, dip the stuffed flowers in a light batter, like a tempura style, and fry them in hot oil until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. They make a fantastic appetizer. Pumpkin flowers are also wonderful when simply sautéed. Quickly cook the cleaned flowers with a little garlic and olive oil for a few minutes until just tender. You can also add them to quesadillas or omelets for a delicate flavor. For a fresh touch, incorporate them into salads as a vibrant, edible garnish, or stir them into pasta dishes and risottos during the final 5 minutes of cooking. For the best results, harvest your pumpkin flowers in the morning when they are fully open. It is ideal to use them within 1 day of harvesting to ensure optimal freshness and flavor. Remember, male flowers are generally more abundant and often preferred for cooking due to their simpler structure. Enjoy the subtle, slightly sweet flavor of these unique and beautiful blossoms in your next meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.